Hi, this is Ben Peroisich, and welcome to your Real Estate Market Minute. Well, today I wanted to answer the question, how do I prepare my house quickly to sell? Let's say that we're out looking for properties, and you're looking for your move-up home or maybe your forever home, and you find the perfect property. You get it under contract, and now you've got to get your home sold fast because you don't want to endure those bridge loan payments or 2 mortgage payments. What do you do? What do you do first to get this home ready to sell? Well, I think the first thing that you do is the little fixes. You want to fix the little defects. So, for instance, if you have a leaky faucet, or maybe a toilet that doesn't stop running after you flush it, or maybe a dishwasher that is a little bit too noisy, things like that, you want to address those things because you don't want the new buyer to think that there's too much deferred maintenance. Also, you don't want a lot of things coming up on home inspection. So those are the type of things that come up on home inspection, those little defects. What you don't want to get involved in is updating or remodeling. Let's say that you think, hey, my Formica countertops are a little bit dated. I really should update those. Well, I think when you're under the gun and pressed for time, you don't need to do updates like that. They're costly, they take time, they create a mess. So I would stay away from updating things like your countertops or your backsplash or putting in new carpeting. I would just stick with taking care of the defects and fixing those items. Now, the next thing to do would be to declutter. A lot of times we have too many things on our coffee tables, too many things on our dining room table, too many things on our mantle. Remove all those things, box them away, pre-pack them, put the boxes in your garage, put the boxes in your basement. It's okay to have a little bit of a cluttered basement or a little bit of a cluttered garage, but you don't want a cluttered house. So declutter as best you can, clean as best you can. And then the final thing that you want to do to get your house quickly ready for the market is paint. And I don't mean paint the whole house, but maybe there's a room that is a little bit too personal. As an example, maybe your daughter painted her room like a really bright purple. That doesn't go over too well. So you might want to neutralize something like that with a beige or a grayish. Those colors are kind of in today. It's not a whole house repaint, but just those rooms that you think are maybe a little bit too personal or are maybe a little bit too bold of a statement. So those are the 3 main things. Fix the defects, declutter, paint as needed. I think if you do those things, you will be ready fast to take advantage of this spring market. And that's your Real Estate Market in a Minute. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to like, share, and subscribe. This is Ben with RE/MAX, and I will talk to you soon.